They came out with the regular matte ones at these stores, I would go ham. Ham.
Greetings, Earthlings! I am here today with another Marshalls and Too Faced haul. So I've gone to Marshalls like the last 2 weekends in a row, and both times I have found so much Too Faced makeup, and I am so excited. It's worth mentioning that last weekend, the day before I went, on the Too Faced website, they had a huge end of summer sale where everything was like 70% off. So a lot of this stuff went like way down for a little bit, and then a lot of it got sold out. So the only place that I could find most of these products still online was on the Too Faced website, but a lot of them were sold out. But let's go ahead and get started. First of all, I found two bronzers. I found Beach Bunny and Snow Bunny. These are both sold out on the Too Faced website. Their last listed price was at $27. I paid $9.99 for each of these. I am wearing the Sun Bunny one right now. I actually quite like it. I like that it's a little bit sheeny. It has like 4 different shades, but I don't know, I just mix it all together. It's just a nice regular old bronzer. Yeah, it's not bad. I mean, I wish it smelled like chocolate, but you can't always have everything smell like chocolate. And now Snow Bunny, I am honestly like confused by. I don't know how to use this one. It has a white shade, a really dark shade, a pink shade, and then a light shade. I don't know if I'm supposed to mix it all together or use it separately, but I feel like mixing it together, the white's gonna throw it off some, right? I don't know. This is supposed to be a luminous bronzer, and the other one is a custom blend bronzer. Yeah, so I haven't quite used this one yet, Snow Bunny, because I'm confused by it. And then I also found a Too Faced Cocoa Powder Foundation. This is in the shade Light Medium. It is I was skeptical about this because usually when I set my face, I like to use loose powders. I just always feel like it works better, but this one actually worked pretty well. I used it to set my face today. It does a decent job, and it smells really good. This was $9.99 also, I do believe. Yeah, this was also $9.99. On the website, I want to say it was like $30 on sale. It comes with this little spongy thing, and I do use this throughout the day to touch up my face. Like, I'll just dig in and go like, oh. Yeah, so I do like it, and it smells really good. This is the Too Faced White Chocolate Chip Eyeshadow Palette. It's really small. It's probably about half the size of the regular chocolate bar palettes. The inside, the pans are obviously much smaller, and these shades are all really light. Besides this dark shade over here, there wasn't really a good shade to like do a really good transition or like darken the outer corner. I used a lot of this kind of like purplish pewter shade, and then this pinky shade, and then this like bright white shimmery shade. I did end up using a white base underneath it just to try to get the most pigmentation out of it, because the first time that I used it, the color completely disappeared. And as you can see here, it's still not very colorful. Like, you can't necessarily tell that I used purple here and then pink in the middle, but I do like the effect that it gives. I feel like it's kind of like a very fairy kind of vibe, you know what I mean? I do wish there was just a little bit more diversity in the palette, because the shades kind of all end up looking the same. I think it's a cute palette though. I paid $15 for this. Oh, I just noticed that the names of them are on the back. Ooh, haha. Looks like I used Raspberry Rose, Sugared Raisin, and Pearl Candy. Okay, I love the names of those. That's really cute. When they went on their 70% off end of summer sale, this got down to like 12 bucks, so $12 or $13, so I actually ended up paying more for this at Marshalls than it was on the website. It is currently sold out though, and I think its last listed price was around like $23, $24. So now, moving on, I do have several lip products. First thing, I have, oh goodness, 5 liquid latex. These are very lip glossy. I don't know if they're my favorite. They're really sticky, like really sticky. I got the shade Safe Word. This is kind of like a Barbie pink color. I love colors like this. go ahead and do a swatchy. Yeah, see, they're quite pigmented. They're just very sticky, but I guess you should expect that with something that's, you know, high shine and latex. This shade is called Can't Touch This, which I appreciate. Makes me think of, you know, that song. This is kind of like a dark cherry kind of color. This one's a little bit patchy. I have worn this one and I felt like I had to like really build it up to get it to be like opaque all over. This one's in the shade Bite Me. It's kind of like a reddish brown color. This stuff is like, these are so sticky on the back of my hand. Like it feels so uncomfortable. I think that these weren't very popular when they came out. I feel like they went on sale not long after they were released. They're currently still sold on the Sephora website and the Too Faced website. They're like 10 bucks. I paid, how much did I pay for these? $5.99 a piece, which is still cheaper than 10 bucks. And I think they were originally 21. This is in the shade Twilight Zone. I also really appreciate that name. It's like a lavender color. It's really light, but I love purple. I love purple lipsticks. And then this one is just a clear kind of top coat. It's called Girl on Top. I don't know why I'm gonna swatch it. I feel like this one is not nearly as sticky. It's more of just like a gloss to put on top of lipstick. It's not nearly as sticky as the other ones are. And then I got two Too Faced La Creme color drenched lipsticks. This one is in the shade Wham. It's what I'm wearing today. It's quite a unique color. I really like it. Unfortunately, this one, I feel like it's loose in its little component. And then I also got the shade Marshmallow Bunny, which is a really light pink color. It's not very pigmented. See, it's not very pigmented, but it is very kind of a marshmallow color. These feel really nice. Color Drenched is a good like description of them. They're definitely just, I don't know, they're comfortable. I can say that. They're comfortable. And then last but not least, I got a melted lipstick. And I honestly thought that this was another latex one because the boxes are really similar, right? And like all of the lipsticks that they had there were the melted latex ones. Like they had tons of them. So I grabbed that one too. Like I didn't open it or anything. So I was kind of surprised when I got home and it was one of these. I like these though. I have a couple of them. The ones that I have, I've only gotten from like TJ Maxx and Marshalls and stuff. And they smell like sweethearts. Oh, they smell so good. This one is in Melted Fuchsia, which should have been a giveaway that it was a melted lipstick, but like I didn't even think about it. I was just like, oh, that's a weird name. Let's see. It's a very hot, hot pink. It's pretty though. And it smells so good. Oh, these smell so tasty. One bonus item that I got from Marshalls, you can't really see it over there on that nightstand, but I do collect the Vera Wang Princess perfumes, and the majority of them I've gotten from these discount stores because, you know, like the 3.4 fluid ounce ones go for like $25 at these, and I have not seen a new one in so long. I think from like 2014 on, I didn't have any of those ones, but then I found this one. This is in Princess of Hearts. It is the 1 fluid ounce, so it's small, but it was only $15 and it smells really good. But yeah, I was so happy to see this because it's been so long. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and please don't forget to subscribe. It means the world to me. I want to thank everyone who supports me. It means so much. Yeah. Let me know if you find any of these at your local Marshalls or if you find anything better than this. Oh, let me tell you, if they came out with the regular matte ones at these stores, I would go ham. I'm much more a matte liquid lip person than anything creamy or sticky. Like, I'm getting this all over the place. I need to go wipe this off before I get it all over my clothes. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this, so give it a thumbs up again, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye.